Anna Sebastil Parel. Does this name give you a shock in your life? This was this girl who recently died few months back, only at the age of 26, because of mental stress, because of the stress at the office. And this is going to be increasing, day by day, and it is really shocking for all of us that we are not looking into the major concerns. Mental well-being is very very important in nowadays world, because there's so much of stress going on everywhere, and it's on not only work stress. There are so many types of stresses. There's work stress, marriage stress, financial stress, health stress, old age stress, function stress, religious stress. There's like the number can go on, but what are we doing about it? Like, we just keep reading articles in the papers or books and not taking action, because if we don't take action, nothing is going to help us in our life. So I just want you to make you be aware that it's a big big concern. And this, I still remember mental well-being, the stress actually started, anxiety disorder in the year 2010, when technology came in India, and there were mobile phones and laptops when they were just coming. And that's when the stress level started, because all these things, I'm not saying that they are not good, but we have to learn to balance in life. And that's when we go extreme, and then the problem starts. There always has to be a work life balance. So what are we going to do about it? So many people say do meditation, or do things which you love, you like doing. But let me tell you one major thing which can really really help you to de-stress. And if you know it or you don't do it, it's fine. It's a way of just letting go of the mind and just having fun, and having movement in the body, because according to this lady from Harvard, she says that sitting is the new smoking. You have to be aware of not being able, like, if we don't move our body the whole day, and we just sit in front of the laptops or just sitting the whole day, it's going to affect our body. So movement is very very important. So that excellent technique is stress relief through dance. Hello everybody, this is Natasha Advani here. I'm an internationally certified transformational international trainer and coach, and a dance exploration expert. I help people to let go of their stresses and worries, and just enjoy life, and really dance, not from the expert way like a choreography way, but just to be through embodiment through your body. And there'll be certain excellent techniques, where you will learn how to relieve stress, anxiety, and a lot more things in your life. And why am I telling you this? Because when I was going through this major disease of cancer, I couldn't go out of the house, because certain days you cannot go out after intensive rigorous treatment. And dance is what really helped me to cope with the stress, or sadness or grief or whatever I was going through. So I have learned and trained from various people, international trainers, and I have created various workshops, like dance flow and dance as medicine. You can have a look at my website, natashaadvani.com. So just to say that, please be alert about your work life balance, and be aware of your health, because a lot of things depend upon your health. So when the nurses were asked that, when they were going to hospitals, according to Harvard University, what was one major thing that old people really regretted in their life, they are like, we wish we spend more time with our loved ones, or people who we wanted to spend time with. Relationships also are very very important, because life is short. You really don't know, what happens tomorrow. People are dying of heart attack at 30, 40. People are getting, diabetes, BP. Even 15-year-old are getting nowadays, looking at the health concerns. So please be aware of your health and take care, because healthy body is a combination of mind, body and soul. I have various techniques of the mind and soul and body, but finally you have to take action. So looking forward of you doing something with your health and mental well-being. And if this is calling you, you can just drop me a mail and look at my website, explore if this is this is something you would want to explore in your life, or see what is there. So thank you so much, and please forward this video to your family and friends. Let's make people more aware of the how important is mental well-being and being healthy, and no one should just take health for granted. Thank you.